Exercise 3. Specific questions. Part C. Questions 1 through 8 refer to the following lecture on telescopes.
Welcome to the University Observatory. We are very glad to have you here and hope that during your tour you will learn a great deal about how telescopes work and how they are constructed. To begin, telescopes are optical instruments that magnify objects located at a distance. Mostly, they are used to observe visible light given off by other objects. The refracting telescope, like this one to my right, is the simplest, containing a small eyepiece with two lenses that magnify the image. At the other end from the eyepiece, the object lens gathers light from the object that one is looking at. To focus the refracting telescope, the viewer must adjust the distance between the objective and the eyepiece. Today, the basic principle involved in the construction of the refracting telescope is used only in theater binoculars. It's considered too basic even for field binoculars, which produce a much sharper image. The reflecting telescope is far more sophisticated than its refracting prototype. First of all, reflecting telescopes are usually much larger and have a substantially greater light-gathering capacity. Therefore, they allow an observer to see and photograph fainter objects than he or she could with refracting instruments. The main difference between them is that the reflecting telescope includes a curved mirror that serves as an objective. In addition, a smaller mirror is placed inside the tube near the eyepiece at a 45-degree angle to the objective. When light waves enter the tube, the objective reflects them to the smaller mirror, which in turn reflects them into the eyepiece. As you can see, the eyepiece is located on the side of the telescope tube at a 90-degree angle to it. In a combination refracting-reflecting telescope, the eyepiece is set behind the objective, which has a tiny opening in its center. When the light waves strike the objective, they are reflected back to a small mirror in front of the objective.
Question number 1. Where does the lecture take place? Question number 2. What is the speaker's occupation? Question number 3. What is the main purpose of telescopes? Question number 4. How are images brought into focus in the refracting telescope? Question number 5. In what instruments is the refracting principle still used today? Question number 6. How many types of telescopes are mentioned in the lecture? Question number 7. What are the advantages of reflecting telescopes over refracting ones? Question number 8. What is the purpose of the mirrors in the reflecting telescope?